Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for my first hairstyle, after making side parting of my hair, I will at first separate my crown areas here. After combing my hair, I will clip it by using a clutcher for a while. Now by taking my left side's front hair to back of my head, I will clip them by using two bobby clips. Like before, now I will take my right side front hair to back of my head and will clip them by using bobby clips too. So now I will just take off the clutcher and will tease my crown areas here. After slightly teasing them, now I will smooth them out by gently combing them. Now to prevent my crown areas hair to fall off too much over my both-sided clipped hair, I will clip them by using a bobby clip at the corner of my crown areas teased hair. So that's it. This is how my less than a 2 minutes first hairstyle looks like. Now for my second hairstyle, I will again make the side parting of my hair. Now by separating my left side hair and after loosely twisting them 3 times, I will bring them over to my other side crown area and then will clip them with 2 bobby clips. Like before, now I will take my right side front hair, then by loosely twisting them 3 times, I will bring back my other side twisted hair and will clip them at the corner side of my crown area by using 2 bobby clips. This is how my less than a 2 minutes second hairstyle looks like. Now for my third hairstyle. After having side parting of my hair, I will bring all of my hair to my one side. As now I will nicely comb my hair. Now I will separate them into 2 strands and then I will make a knot of it. After making the first knot, I will make the second knot. As my hair is long enough, that's why I will make a third knot of it. by losing my front hair, I will tie a hair tie. So this is how my another less than a 2 minutes third hairstyle looks like. Now for my fourth hairstyle, I will, as like always, make a side parting of my hair, and this time I will show you a tiny clutcher hairstyle. As I will take tiny sections of my hair from both the sides, and by twisting them I will bring to back of my head. Now I will clip them by using a tiny clutcher. I will create the same thing with bottom of my twisted hair and will clip it by using another matching tiny clutcher, and this way you will get this pretty hairstyle within less than 2 minutes. And this is how my fourth hairstyle looks like. For my fifth hairstyle, this time I will show you all another clutcher hairstyle. As I will make a middle puff, but instead of clipping it by using bobby clips, I will clip it by using a small clutcher. By gathering all of my hair, I will twist them. Then I will clip it by using a slim clutcher just under my crown area. Now I will spread the leftover hair over that slim clutcher. As now I will just smooth them out by combing them nicely. This is how you will easily get a new look by using two types of clutcher, and this is how my less than 2 minutes fifth hairstyle looks like. Now for my sixth hairstyle, as I will at first make a small middle puff. After making the puff, I will take a small section of my hair, and by twisting that I will clip it by using a bobby clip. As same as, I will again make another twist just under the first twist. Now I will make 2 more twists to my other side too. I'm done with my 6th hairstyle, and with it I have completed all of my 6 lazy girl party going hairstyle. And each of the hairstyles takes less than 2 minutes to do. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye and see you next time.